spoke the truth. His voice was light, never bowed down, stood for what's right. When darkness fell on every side, he rose and spoke with fearless pride. Truth lives on, it never dies. The brave may fall, but never lie. This is the tale of Arshad Sharif, who wrote, who burned, but broke no belief. Truth lives on, truth lives on. Threats were hurled, false cases made, still his burning words never did fade. The land that once gave him his name turned around and cursed his flame. Truth lives on, it never dies. The brave may fall, but never lie. This is the tale of Arshad Sharif, who rose, who burned, but broke no belief. Truth lives on, truth lives on. Even in exile, his words would shine. Every line a spark, every truth a sign. The army feared that honest mirror that showed their face a little clearer. No weapons in hand, no army behind, no crown, no wine, just a rebel mind. All he held was a pen so strong, and that pen became his battle song. Truth lives on, it never dies. The brave may fall, but never lie. This is the tale of Arshad Sharif, who rose, who burned, but broke no belief. Truth lives on.